Okay, we're looking to simplify some expressions here now. Expressions are basically a load of letters, a sort of bunch of algebra, but without an equals. Okay, so simplifying obviously means making easier. So if I look at this first one, which is a plus a plus a, right? How many a's have I got? Well, I've got 3a. So if you think about it, 5 times 5, add 5 is the same as saying 3 times 5. And that's all we're doing. All you've got to remember with this sort of stuff is that the letters behave like numbers. They are numbers in disguise, however you want to think of them. Alright, so there you go. So the second one, I've got 3 B's and 5 B's. Well, how many B's have I got in total? I've got 8 B's. Right, does that make sense? You've got 3 there. No, you've got 3 there, 5 there. Okay, so therefore I've got 8 in total. Okay, now the next one has got more than one letter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at each letter separately. So I've got 6C and plus another C, so that gives me 7 C's in total. Alright, and then I've got minus 5D minus 2D. Alright, so knowing our negative numbers, that's a total of minus 7D. Now I can't simplify that anymore because they are different letters. So if you think about it, if I had 7 lots of 2 minus 7 lots of 3, okay, I couldn't do 0 lots of 2 add 3, could I, or something, or anything like that. It doesn't quite work because they're different letters. I can't sort of join them together when you're adding or subtracting. Alright, now then, similar sort of thing here. I've got x squared and I've got x, so I'm going to underline again. Now you'll notice that, like with the other one, the previous one, I'm underlining the sign in front of stuff. Now when there's no sign right at the beginning, that means a plus. So we've got 1x squared and 2x squareds, which gives me a total of 3x squareds. Okay, now if I have a look at, I'm just trying to find a colour. I'll have to do it in brown. There we go, that's about the only colour I've got left. I've got a plus 4x minus 3x. I've got plus 4 minus 3 is plus 1, so plus 1x, and we, instead of doing 1x, we tend to do just x, don't we? So that can't be simplified any longer, because x squared and x, although it's the same letter, the squared makes a massive difference there. All right, you can't say that 5 squared is the same as 5, can you? Okay, for example. So there you go. All right, hope that helps.